And it's Crypto episode 260, Tuesday, April 23rd. Three stories in the market. A lot going on right now. The market really on fire. I think Bitcoin rose over $150 while I was asleep last night, and we'll get into that momentarily. But things heating up in the cryptocurrency environment is very exciting. First story is BlockFi is now paying interest on 53 million of crypto deposits. Crypto lending startup BlockFi has gathered another 18 million of Bitcoin and Ether deposits since last month, bringing its total interest earning accounts to 53 million. The company also lowered its minimum balance to earn interest on Bitcoin from 1 Bitcoin to 0.5 and expanded its operations to India, meaning its service is now available globally, except for territories sanctioned by the US, UK, and EU. We grew the client base around 50% in the first half of April from the end of March, BlockFi CEO Zach Prince told CoinDesk Tuesday. We expect the quantity of new clients to increase further as we lower the minimum balance for requirement for interest earning eligibility. We also see incremental deposits from existing clients, especially around the beginning of the month after the interest rates are made, via Anna Batikova of CoinDesk. So, second story is Disney, obviously one of the biggest names in media and corporations in the U.S. Is said to be acquiring the oldest Bitcoin exchange in the space for a $13 billion equity deal. An equity battle involving a South Korean gaming giant could end up with Walt Disney Company owning two major cryptocurrency exchanges. As local news outlet Jong-Ang Ilbo reported, quoted by Korea Herald April 17th, Disney is currently one of the major bidders for a 98.6% stake in Nexon, South Korea's largest game developer and the second largest online games publisher in the world. Nexon is 47% owned by NXC, the chairman of which, Jung-Ju Kim, is behind the shares sale. According to Jong-Ang Ilbo, various major entities had taken an interest in the stake. These include Tencent and Kakao, both of which are currently pursuing cryptocurrency-related projects of their own. Disney, however, is allegedly first in line with Kim personally reaching out to the U.S. corporation. Should the $13.2 billion deal go ahead, however, Disney will have access to European exchange Steem's via NXC's investment structure NXMH, which purchased it for around $400 million in late 2018. Also under control would be South Korean mainstream platform Corbit, in which Nexon has a 65% stake. So, as we've been saying for some time, big players are coming in, and this is nothing but good news in my opinion for this environment. Third story, Bitcoin's price breaks 5,600 for the first time, actually 5,500 for the first time in over 5 months, and it actually went over 56, even 56 right now. The world's premier cryptocurrency whose market capitalization accounts for more than half of all other cryptocurrencies combined picked up a bid and saw its price climb as high as $5,650 USD in less than 10 minutes on April 23rd, its highest price since November 2018, the 18th of November. So, if you look at the chart now, it really appears that we are heading up, and the last few weeks have been extremely solid. Since the 7th of February, we are up over $2,300. So, in just over around 75 days, Bitcoin is up more than 2,300 or 20. Let's see, 20. Actually, more than that, $2,400 now. So, super encouraging things going on in cryptocurrency, and this market is starting to take off. For the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 4.8% at $5,600 even. Ethereum up 1.96%. Everyone waiting for Ethereum to make its move. A lot of people think that's going to happen soon. It's starting to. It seems like it's starting to make a little bit of a move up around $4 in the last 2 days. 174.25. Bitcoin Cash up 2.67% at $298.95. EOS up 0.74%, $5.29. Litecoin kind of hanging around right now at $77.82, up 1.47%. Monero up 2.13% at 69.83. Dash up 123.41, or is up to 123.41, up 1.05%. Neo down 1.04%, $10.68. Ethereum Classic up 1.8%, $6.01. To Steem down 2.56%, 40 cents. As always, I like to remind people Steem lags a little bit behind, so not investment advice, but something to keep an eye on if you're looking for something to get into today. Flash up 4.74% at 0.00368, and aggregate market cap, the highest it's been since I think November, at 184,622,837,000. It had crossed that $185 billion mark a little bit ago, and I think might have actually crossed over 886 billion. Bitcoin dominance on the rise to 53.6%, which is okay by me because aggregate market cap is rising. It's not just because people were jumping out of alts and putting their money into Bitcoin as a safe haven in the interim. So everything looking really solid and exciting here as we're starting off this week with quite the surge. Everyone enjoy your Tuesday.